Welcome to Blackstone Commercial Finance.
At Blackstone Commercial Finance, strategic packaging of commercial loans is what we offer. Our products range from apartment and multifamily loans to FHA, Fannie Mae, and conventional products as well. As a nationwide lender, we understand real estate acquisitions and therefore have combined various loan products to increase our success rate of funding. Investors rely on our customized commercial financing options to enable them to meet their financial goals. What sets us apart from the other mortgage lenders is our underwriting team. We are able to assess denied files and in many cases repackage them and obtain successful approvals. Blackstone Commercial is a full-service commercial finance provider. We hold ourselves to the highest industry standards and provide unparalleled service.
Blackstone Commercial refinanced our apartment building. We highly recommend them.
Hello, my name's Charles Richardson, an executive at Blackstone Financial. Based out of Los Angeles, California, we offer nationwide commercial finance. If you'd like to chat a bit more about our financing structures, do phone us. Thank you.
Welcome to Blackstone Commercial Finance.
At Blackstone Commercial Finance, strategic packaging of commercial loans is what we offer. Our products range from apartment and multifamily loans to FHA, Fannie Mae, and conventional products as well. As a nationwide lender, we understand real estate acquisitions and therefore have combined various loan products to increase our success rate of funding. Investors rely on our customized commercial financing options to enable them to meet their financial goals. What sets us apart from the other mortgage lenders is our underwriting team. We are able to assess denied files and in many cases repackage them and obtain successful approvals. Blackstone Commercial is a full-service commercial finance provider. We hold ourselves to the highest industry standards and provide unparalleled service.
Blackstone Commercial refinanced our apartment building. We highly recommend them.
Hello, my name's Charles Richardson, an executive at Blackstone Financial. Based out of Los Angeles, California, we offer nationwide commercial finance. If you'd like to chat a bit more about our financing structures, do phone us. Thank you.
Hi, this is Kevin Fritz with Iron Point Mortgage. Welcome to the FHA Home Loan Series. Today we're going to be touching on the FHA loan. An FHA is a mortgage loan insured by the Federal Housing Authority, HUD. While it's like any other loan, when underwritten to meet official FHA loan guidelines, it can be insured with the full backing of the U.S. government. As a result, the lender is able to provide interest rates that are often a little bit lower, maybe significantly lower than conventional loans whose bonds are not fully backed by the federal government. FHA guidelines provide for less stringent underwriting as well. In the case that a borrower defaults and the lender has to take the property back, FHA insurance will kick in and make the lender whole, so there's less risk. Some of the highlights of the FHA home loan are low down payment, as little as 3.5% of the purchase price, flexible guidelines because it's insured by the FHA, and lower rates, often less than conventional 30-year fixed rate loans. Mortgage insurance is something that is added to it. It does an upfront mortgage insurance as well as an annual mortgage insurance that's paid monthly in your payment. Also, it can be used for purchase, refinance, or cash out, so if you've got to pay a debt off. A non-occupying co-borrower can also help to qualify for this loan, and most banks require at least a 580 FICO score, but in specific cases, it can go lower. Well, that's it. Thank you for watching. Email us if you have any questions and click below for the next video in this series. We look forward to seeing you there. Have a great day.
I'm Joan Wilson. I'm here today with Teresa Tynan with W.J. Bradley, a loan company, and you're here to talk to us about USDA. I was at a seminar you guys did the other day, and you mentioned it to me, and it sounded like a great program. Could you tell me a little bit about it?
Sure, it's a wonderful program because most people think that 100% financing went away with the mortgage crisis in 2009, and that is not the case. The USDA Rural Development Guaranteed Home Loan is 100% financing. And most people hear the word rural and they think of farm, they think of barn, they think of, oh, I gotta live in the Tules. But those properties might be eligible for USDA financing, but the great part about this program is that they also will finance single-family residences that are located within eligible communities.
And what are eligible communities?
Eligible communities typically have a population of 25,000 or less. And the USDA has a website where you can actually go on and check to see if the property you're interested in is located within an eligible area.
Okay. In San Diego, are there areas that are in particular very good areas to look?
There are a number of communities within San Diego County that are eligible. Alpine, Ramona are the most common areas for doing the USDA program, but there are other areas too. And there are so many that it would be difficult to name them all at this point in time. So if you have a client that's looking, I'd be happy to go on the website and check to see if their property is located within an eligible area.
So it's okay if my clients call you and ask you about the property in particular, or if I call you and ask you?
Yes, I would encourage everybody that's interested in 100% financing to call to see if their property is eligible.
And how hard is it to get one of those loans?
These loans are very easy to get. Most people also think that this program was designed for low-income clients, and it's not. There is an income eligibility restriction, and it's $95,000 per year gross income for a family size of 1 to 4 people.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, and the maximum purchase price cannot exceed $417,000.
Well, you can buy a pretty good house for that right at the moment.
Yes,
in San Diego County.
Yes, you can with 100% financing. Fairly easy credit criteria. The minimum credit score on this program is 640. The seller can help with up to 6% of the closing cost, or this is the only program that I know of currently that the client can actually finance their closing cost if the appraised value exceeds the purchase price.
Oh, that's very good. So they can call or email you at any time and start the process?
Yes.
And I can pick up the phone, obviously, and call you and say, hey, I've got somebody that's looking.
Yes, I'd love to help all of the people that are interested in USDA financing.
Great. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm sure that we'll be talking soon.
Thank you. I look forward to working with you and your clients.
Thank you.